Hey, welcome back to another episode of memosgarageaz. Today I'm doing something a little bit different than what I normally film. I'm trying to finish up my garage and set it up just the way I want it so that it works better for me when I work on the Gene here. One of the biggest things that's really hindering me at the moment is my service card in my current toolbox. I grew these things like years ago, so this thing's like packed to the brink all the way to the top. All the drawers are filled. Every single drawer has this thing, you know, have junk on the top. Like I said, every single drawer has something in it, completely full. So I recently picked this up at Harbor Freight for $300 during this what do they call it, Black Friday deals. So this thing's gonna help me take some of that stuff out from there and then put it here. And not only that, this has a wood top which will give me like a work surface, which I've needed. And then maybe I'll try to figure out how to take the top off so that I can put a vise on it. Just got a new clock, which is kind of nice. I have this other like LED, it's like a kind of like a frame with Memo's Garage on it, and it has like a remote and it changes colors. It's got LEDs behind it. And not only that, I got this. I'm gonna be hanging this up. So it's starting to come together. Obviously this is gonna have to go at some point. I'm gonna need like a true workbench, but working a little bit at a time. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, almost finished with it. I just gotta put the handle, and it actually comes with pre-cut, what do you call these? Like the mats for the inside of the drawers, so that, you know, your tools don't get, the drawers don't get scratched or your tools get dusted from moisture or whatnot. So, almost there. So there it is. Handles on. Wheels are on. Looks like you can put the handle on either side. But I put those liners in there. I mean, for $300, I'm not complaining. Not bad, not bad at all. It's a good product so far. And it's gonna do what I need it to do. I got a work surface. I think I might do a vise on one of these corners. Maybe here, just drill the holes. Yeah, just have to drill through the wood and then a metal piece. I think there's metal over here, yeah. But anyways, like I was saying, I mean, I freaking out outgrew this thing a long time ago, so now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna want this thing. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna load this up, because I don't want to bore you guys with that. Let me try something out. There we go. Oh wait, oops, wrong stuff. Let me try with my right hand this time. Ah, much better. So I'm thinking something like this maybe, but I haven't figured it out yet. I know you're supposed to put like the most commonly used tools at the top. Definitely use the ratchets, these open box and wrenches and ratcheting style wrenches, which I do use a lot, but I'm also thinking of putting like a ratchet as well. So anyways, for those of you that have this type of a toolbox, let me know how you set it up. Send me some pictures maybe to my email, memosgarageaz@gmail.com. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's hang the banner. So there it is. So getting there. Anyways, something a little different today than usual, but I have more videos coming up. I have the December 12th straight line, I think it's half mile racing, so that's coming, and a few other installs, and we'll see what happens next year. I'm already thinking about a second project car, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Something's still missing. Let's see. Oops. Use my left hand again. Oh yeah. My bad. Let's try that again, but only with the right hand. Ah, there we go. Much better.